Hello everyone. Today I am going to look at the reset stroke relearning of a Mercedes automatic transmission. I'm looking on the W207 model. It's a 2005 Mercedes C-Class. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my key in the ignition and turn it till all the lights are on the dashboard, but the engine hasn't started. So it looks like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my foot fully on the accelerator pedal until it gets to the click for the kick down. And I'm going to leave my foot there for at least 1 minute. So the problems I've been, while I'm waiting for that to pass, the problems I've been having are the car seemed to be slipping, almost like a clutch slip when I was pulling away. Occasionally it's very clunky in changing gear, especially going into reverse. Sometimes the transmission won't actually get into reverse or into gear, and on occasion it's actually jumped out of gear into neutral when I've been going up a hill. Then the gear only re-engages again once you drop below 30 miles an hour. And the most common problem that I've got right now is that it tends to stay in third gear, and that's all I have to get home with. So done a lot of research online, and this apparently works. So we're looking where we are now. It's been about a minute. So I'm going to leave my foot firmly planted on the accelerator pedal and turn the ignition to off, but leave the key in the ignition. Now I can remove my foot from the accelerator pedal, and we wait now for about 2 minutes. We don't open the door, we don't have the radio on, we don't use any electrical items in the vehicle. I've seen various times given about for this wait period. I'm going to wait 2 minutes, which seems to be the desired period. Another indication that you can use is when the lights in the dashboard fully turn off. But that's it. Once that 2 minute period is over, your gearbox should be in relearn mode, and for the next 50 or 60 miles the vehicle should relearn your driving style, and should have reset itself into that relearn mode. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.